Area hello, and they welcome for football and pitching. After match talk about how you see them. Arsenal 3 and Liverpool 2. And we get Oga Shozi will be like say, now very ogbonge Arsenal fan normally. Him guy name normally now say Arsenal and I be the Odidigbo one of Africa. So but Gunners, how far, how you see Arsenal performance for this match?
Well, I don't talk am before. Make I just remind people. When I tell them say we don't go, when I just say the league don't go, people say the league never go. I just thank God say that they see am. You understand? This na great performance. This thing, not be say it shock me, not be say na I know say we go deliver. You understand? I know say we go deliver. The goal self, is small for me. You understand? No, so that one a normal thing, not be Liverpool. See, one thing about football, you understand your team. You know it's they bring on the table. What Arsenal bring on the table this season, people never get to see them. I be the thing. We don't go. I tell them before, say we don't go. They not believe me. We don't go. You understand? When you have manager, where Arsenal they now, with people they back. As far as I'm concerned, we don't go. That be my own.
So but with this Arsenal performance now, which Arsenal player you think say play past all the rest Arsenal player? Which Arsenal player be your man of the match?
This one go hard. Oh. You know why I say this one go hard? Because if you look Arsenal in recent time, everybody they work. You understand? From the goalkeeper, the defender, the midfielder, the striker, Martinelli, Saka, Odiga, Tomiyasu, Gabriel Malagas, and everybody they work. So for me, make I just give my boy Martinelli. You know why me go give Martinelli? Martinelli na threat, Na me Liverpool quick comot, Arnold. You understand? You know say they go work on Arnold, they go work on am, and leak all the oil wey dey body. So club just say okay, make I comot that one first. So for me, Martinelli na be my boy for this match.
So but I want to ask you about one question when we hear people they talk about every time. One word, one saying when people they talk say Arsenal they play with small children, Arsenal they play with small boys.
Yes.
We see last season say they battle for top 4 till the end of the season, the last day of the league too, but they not obviously gonna make top 4. From what you see from Arsenal team this season, you believe say the young boys they don't grow, they don't want turn to men.
Probably the escape route for Arsenal this season not be about the young boys. Make I just tell una the truth. The escape route now for Arsenal this season will make Arsenal dey dominate. Now because of the likes of Liverpool, Chelsea, Tottenham, Man U, they're not dey in form. You understand? So even those young boys themselves, many of them don't dey for the league for a very long time. 2 to 3 seasons, many of them don't dey. Many of them don't dey play, and many of them don't dey adapt. Not be say we just carry some young boys. The way as Wenger dey do it, we just sign 15 years old, 10 years old. This one, they don't dey before, they don't dey adapt, they don't dey play. So probably they don't master the league. You understand? They don't master it, they don't master the system, they don't master the play. So that make those young boys, so you dey see them, they act smart and they outshine small boys because they don't know where and where to dribble. They don't know where and where to drive in. So if you feel say na young boys now will take they do all those things, so now I won't be that. But those young boys, they get how they take they deliver.
Also, I want to ask you about one Arsenal player now, Bukayo Saka. 2 goals for Bukayo Saka today.
Yes.
When he step up to take that penalty, what's enter your mind? Because we still remember for Euros when he missed that penalty against Italy for the Euros final.
Yes.
When Saka can't play that penalty, what's enter your mind?
If like say this season Saka don score penalty, you understand? But me, I not lie you. I put my head for ground when Saka won't play that penalty. One, because say I need that goal. 2, because say in a left footer, I not too trusted that my own. 3, because of that Europe when he miss. You understand? So that make me attention. I know you like you attention for that penalty. But last he deliver. So now so we dey do for our culture, winning our mentality. Winning our mentality.
Also, because say before Arsenal play Man U, before Arsenal play Tottenham, they can't play Liverpool. One thing when people they talk, they say Arsenal never play big team. So now initial gaga they do when they play small team. But now they lose against Man U, win against Tottenham, win against Liverpool. With this performance for these big teams when they don't play, you think say Arsenal are title contenders this season?
You know say even when we don't play 4 matches, I tell the world say this league now our own leave am. You know why me tell them, wetin Arsenal bring come the table, Many people never see understand because of Arsenal past record. Not be Arsenal, I believe them. When the time come, they go lose. When time come, they go lose. Now we don't cure Totti and Chris with the same goal. What will give Liverpool today? Now Liverpoul the same thing. You understand? I say we never play big team, we never play big team. Now we don't win two big team. We not anything draw, we not they like them. Anything draw, we not sabi and we not they want use EATC draw. Now we don't win two big team. I want to see what people see get. Okay, they'll cut us say we never play Chelsea or we never play Man City. Now they want to tell us we dey win big team, we dey win small team, winning our mentality. Now our culture to win this season. So top 4 league, now we get them.
So before I let you go now, how you see the work when Mikel Arteta they do? Because this season, so Arsenal never draw any match.
Yes.
They don't lose only one.
Yes.
Out of the 10 games in all competition,
Yes.
they don't win 9, lose 1. How you see the work when Mikel Arteta they do?
The work when Mikel Arteta they do, he dey try. I know we'll give am 10/10. You know why we not give am 10/10? Because he dey owe me some few signings. And those signings where they owe me, number 1, na that midfield. You see that Arsenal, you see that game where Arsenal lost, give Man U. Now midfield we will not get. Now because this our Ghana brother not dey, Thomas Partey, now will lose. If you check Man U, after that time, Man U never play ball way past midfield. But as Thomas Partey not dey that day, they come they carry ball, they pass, everything they pass. This one they pass, Fernando they pass, everybody they pass. But now I be Thomas Partey dey there. So that guy, he dey try. So basically, make he give me those my signing. Give me somebody for midfield. Give me somebody for 10 and 7. 11 probably, 11 and 7. Give me somebody for there. Even that top 9, not sign top 9, so that sometimes, even though our top 9 not there, he get the way we take coordinate. Somebody go see score. Everybody they score for Arsenal. You understand? This season, go check Arsenal. Everybody they score. Right back, left back, we get competitors for there. You understand? Defense, we they try. If you give me one defense, give me one midfield, 7 and 11, then I will give am 10/10. But managing these boys well, they listen to them, they play what you want. That guy, he try.
All right, now I got trusted. Thank you for your time, your face show, and your shoe shine.